Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? Welcome to the era of digital entrepreneurship, where the traditional confines of office spaces are replaced by the limitless potential of the internet. As we embrace the year 2024, the online marketplace is not just thriving, but booming, offering unprecedented opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. The rise of online businesses is no accident. It's a response to a world that's more connected than ever, and it's reshaping the way we do business. From the comfort of your home, you can reach customers across the globe, and with the right guidance, you can navigate this new frontier with confidence and ease. Whether you're exploring affiliate marketing or carving out your own unique niche, your journey towards online entrepreneurship starts here. In the next few minutes, we will guide you through each step to start your own online business in just 7 days. Firstly, let's understand the basics of online business. In its simplest form, an online business is any venture that uses the internet as its primary market. This could be anything from selling handmade crafts, to offering professional services, to running a blog. The beauty of an online business is in its flexibility. You can operate from anywhere, at any time, and reach customers from all corners of the globe. The benefits of starting an online business are plentiful. There's the potential for unlimited income, as you're not restricted by a traditional 9-to-5 job. There's freedom in being your own boss, setting your own hours, and crafting your own business strategy. Plus, the startup costs for an online business are typically lower than those of a brick-and-mortar establishment. However, the key to a successful online business is finding a niche, a specialized segment of the market that you can focus on. By targeting a specific niche, you can cater to a unique set of needs and stand out from the competition. It's like being a big fish in a small pond instead of a small fish in a big ocean. Now let's briefly touch on affiliate marketing, as it's a popular and profitable online business model. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales and you get a share of the profits without having to handle product creation or customer service. Remember, the online business world is vast and varied. There's room for everyone, no matter your interests or expertise. Whether you want to sell products, offer services, or make money through affiliate marketing, there's a place for you in the online marketplace. With a better understanding of the online business world, you are ready to begin your journey. A well-structured plan lays the foundation for a successful online business. That's a mantra worth remembering as we delve into the crucial phase of planning your online venture. In the realm of online business, a well-crafted plan acts as a roadmap, guiding you through each stage with clarity and focus. It's the blueprint that provides structure to your entrepreneurial dreams and transforms them into tangible realities. Let's start with identifying your target audience. It's all about understanding who will be interested in your product or service. Are they millennials seeking sustainable products? Or maybe they're busy professionals in need of time-saving solutions. The more you understand your audience, the better you can tailor your offerings and your marketing messages to their needs and wants. Next, let's talk about determining the product or service you're going to offer. Are you passionate about handcrafted jewelry? Or perhaps you have a flair for digital marketing? Whatever it is, your product or service should be something you're not only passionate about, but also something that meets the needs of your target audience. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets the market's demand. Now, on to planning your marketing strategies. In the digital era, this means leveraging the power of social media, search engine optimization, and email marketing, among others. The goal is to create a strong online presence, build a loyal customer base, and drive traffic to your website. Remember, your marketing strategies should be as dynamic as the digital landscape itself, constantly evolving and adapting to new trends and technologies. In essence, planning your online business involves a deep understanding of your audience, a clear identification of your product or service, and a strategic approach to marketing. It's about connecting the dots between what you have to offer and what your audience wants. A great plan is half the job done. Now let's move on to setting up your online business. Building your online business is an exciting step. This is where your entrepreneurial journey truly begins. Let's delve into the process of setting up your online business. Firstly, it's crucial to choose a business name that resonates with your brand's identity and values. It should be unique, catchy, and easy to remember. You want your business name to stick in the minds of your potential customers. Once you have settled on a name, the next step is to register your business. This involves a few legal processes, but don't be daunted. It's simply about ensuring your business is recognized by the law. You might need to register your business name, acquire a tax ID, or even get business licenses and permits depending on your location and the nature of your business. Remember, it's always wise to consult with a business attorney or a professional advisor to ensure you're on the right track. Now let's move on to setting up your website. This is your online storefront, the face of your business in the digital realm. Your website should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. It should clearly communicate what your business offers and why potential customers should choose you over the competition. And finally, it's time to create social media profiles for your business. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching out to your target audience and building relationships with them. Choose the platforms where your potential customers are most active, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Each platform offers unique ways to engage with your audience. So, there you have it. You've chosen a business name, registered your business, set up a user-friendly website, and created social media profiles. You've laid the groundwork for your online business. It's a thrilling feeling, isn't it? Congratulations on setting up your online business. Now let's talk about attracting customers. Attracting customers is the lifeline of your online business. Let's dive into the strategies you can employ to reel in customers. First up, search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art and science of making your website or online store visible to search engines. When done right, SEO can be a powerful tool to draw organic traffic to your site, bringing in potential customers who are actively searching for what you offer. Next, content marketing. By creating valuable, engaging content, you can attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Provide information that enriches their lives or solves their problems, and they'll keep coming back for more. Remember, content is king in the digital world. Let's not forget the power of social media marketing. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer a vast pool of potential customers. Engage with your audience, share relevant content, and build a community around your brand. Then we have email marketing. Though it might seem old school, email marketing is still a highly effective strategy. Build a subscriber list, send out regular newsletters, and keep your audience updated about new products or special offers. Remember to provide value in every email and avoid spammy tactics. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This strategy involves partnering with individuals or businesses who will promote your products or services in exchange for a commission on sales they generate. It's like having a sales team that only gets paid when they make a sale. It's a low-risk, potentially high-reward strategy to grow your business. All these strategies are interconnected. SEO drives traffic to your content. Your content builds your social media following. Your social media following grows your email list. Your email list boosts your sales, and your sales feed into your affiliate marketing program. It's a cycle of growth that, when managed properly, can propel your business to new heights. With these strategies, you can attract customers and grow your online business. Starting an online business can be a rewarding journey. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the online business world, planning your venture, setting it up, to attracting customers and growing your business. It may seem like a lot, but remember, we're here to guide you every step of the way. In the world of 2024, the online market is booming and working from home is the new norm. With affiliate marketing, you can turn this trend into an opportunity. All you need is a game plan, a dash of dedication, and the willingness to learn and adapt. In just 7 days, you can start your own online business. The potential is enormous, the rewards can be plentiful, and the satisfaction of building something from scratch is unparalleled. So, what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your own online business. Want to build your own business empire in just 7 days? We've just provided you with the blueprint, but we understand that implementing these steps can seem daunting. That's why we're offering a comprehensive platform, specifically designed to guide you through each of these steps in detail. This platform is packed with practical tips, industry insights, and hands-on exercises. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you along the way. And the best part? You can access this all-inclusive with just a click. We are not offering a course, but a complete business in a box. Yes, you heard it right. Just click on the link below and embark on your journey to building your own online business empire in just 7 days. Remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your business journey today? Click the link and let's get started.